today we are going to be making chocolate souffle. So without further ado, let's get started, but make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And this is a great dessert, perfect for Valentine's Day or any occasion. So for our ingredients, we will be using 2 semi-sweet chocolate bars, which is 8 ounces, 6 eggs, sugar, cream of tartar, butter, and salt. So first off, I'm going to be putting just a little bit of butter in our souffle dish here. We're just going to be melting it and then putting some sugar. So let's melt this butter first. So now I have my butter and I'm just going to be taking just a little Ziploc bag and just rubbing it all over the dish here. You want to cover the whole thing, and this is going to help to make sure that the souffle does not stick on our pan here. And just rub it all over in the groove, above the groove, make sure that it's everywhere. So once you have it coated evenly like this, we're going to be taking some sugar. You want just enough just to cover the whole pan here, and you can always get out the excess. So we're just going to be kind of moving our dish and making sure that sugar is all around it. And this is gonna help make sure that the souffle rises and crawls up. And you need this for a sweet souffle, like how we're doing. So we're just gonna be doing this until the whole thing is filled with sugar. We're going to be taking our 6 room temperature eggs and separating them. We're gonna be having the yolks in this white bowl, and then we're gonna have the whites in this bowl here. So we're going to be doing this now. There we have our first yolk. And then we will be repeating this process 5 more times. So now we have our 2 chocolate bars, and we're just going to be cutting them into small little pieces so it can help it better melt. So now we're going to be taking our chopped chocolate and placing it in a bowl here. And then our second bar. And then taking our room temperature butter and placing it in here with the chocolate. And we're gonna melt this in the microwave. So now we're going to be placing our butter and chocolate in the microwave, and we are going to be melting it for 30 seconds each in intervals until it is fully melted. So I let the chocolate and butter cool for a little bit, and it smells amazing. And now we're just going to be taking just a little bit of the warm chocolate and putting it in with your egg yolks. This is called tempering the eggs, because I don't want to put the eggs with the warm chocolate and then it curdles, and that won't be good, and then we'll ruin the whole souffle. So we don't want all of our hard work to go to waste. So I'm just going to temper this until it gets situated, and then we will add the egg yolks into the chocolate mixture. So now we're going to be taking our egg mixture here and then just pouring it in our chocolate and butter mixture. I just want to make sure that you get everything out of here. We have our egg whites, and we're going to be adding ½ a teaspoon of cream of tartar. And then we are going to be mixing this until we have soft peaks. So now our mixture is done, and we have some stiff peaks. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the peak is more straight up, and this is how you know that it is done. So now we will be folding a little bit of this mixture into our chocolate mixture and just doing a little bit at a time, and then we are getting closer to the final dessert. So now we are going to be taking our egg white mixture here and just adding about 1/4 into our chocolate mixture, and just going to give this a good fold, and then we will be adding more of the egg white mixture when this is more well combined. Now we're going to be adding more of the egg white mixture into our chocolate mixture. And doesn't this look so good? I cannot wait to finally taste this once it's done baking in the oven. It looks amazing and it smells so good too. I wish you could smell it. And again, we're just going to be folding in this egg white mixture and then adding one last time. Okay, now we're just going to be adding the rest of the egg white mixture here. Just making sure that I get all of it out of the bowl. Okay, I think this is finally it. And one last fold. I just love all when the different colors combine. I think it looks so pretty. So now I'm so excited to be pouring our mixture here into our dish. Oh, doesn't that look so good? It looks so creamy and chocolatey. Okay, so now we are going to be just making this a little bit even so it bakes evenly. And then what we're going to do is just take our finger and then just go around here. So this is going to help the souffle climb up. And just get a little bit like that. And then now we're just going to be baking it in our 400-degree oven. So now we're going to be putting our souffle in the oven. Right now the oven is set to 400 degrees, but as soon as we put it in, we're gonna put it to 375. And then you wanna put the souffle on the bottom rack of your oven. And when we close this, you cannot open your oven until it is finally done. If you open it within the first 20 minutes, unfortunately the souffle will depuff. So we're going to lower our temp to 375 here. And then we're just going to bake this for 35 minutes. And once the time is up, we get to finally reveal the dessert. Here we have the souffle. It just got done from out of the oven. Doesn't that look amazing? Wow, look at this. It smells so good too. So now for the fun part, doing a little taste test for our souffle. It smells amazing, it looks amazing. So I'm so excited to cut into this and give it a bite. It is so easy to cut into it. It's so fluffy. Oh my goodness, this is gonna taste amazing. It feels so fluffy. Let's get our scoop here and try our best to scoop it out. And look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Look how fluffy and airy it looks. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Let's put it in our... So here we have our little slice here. It looks amazing, but to make it more special, we are going to be adding some vanilla ice cream, but not just any vanilla ice cream. I made this homemade vanilla ice cream just for this. So let's put some on. Oh, this is gonna be such a treat. Doesn't that look so good? Oh, with the ice cream and it's melting. So now we're going to be doing a taste test. I am so excited to give this a try. Let's try it. That is so good. It is so airy, light. With the homemade ice cream, it gives it such a great taste too. It's almost like a very fluffy brownie. Oh my goodness, this tastes amazing. Let's take another bite. Oh, just so good. So fluffy. So I think for anyone that you make this for, they'll just be loving it and just so amazed by this dessert. So I hope you will give this recipe a try. perfect for Valentine's Day or any occasion to impress your family, friends, and loved ones. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this a try. You will not regret it. It's amazing. But make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And for now, I'm going to be enjoying this yummy souffle.